This is part 3 of rating EAS alarms. Tajikistan, 4.4 out of 10. Guinea, 8 out of 10. Vietnam, 7 out of 10. Sounds like police. Ecuador, 10 out of 10. Sounds like USA alarm, but with someone saying wow wow wow. Myanmar, 9 out of 10. Sounds like there is an incoming police. Albania, 7.9 out of 10. I did think so, it is scary. Sri Lanka, 0.5 out of 10. That wasn't scary. Zambia, 11 out of 10. It is so fucking loud. This scared the shit about me. Croatia, 6 out of 10. Paraguay, 8 out of 10. Only slightly scary. Jordan, 2.8 out of 10. This can have a freak out.